and welcome to tonight's Eri-TV English news broadcast. These are the main headlines. Message of congratulations. Yet more nationals arrive here for Independence Day observance. Exhibition opens in connection with Independence Day depicting history of armed struggle. Programs regarding Independence Day observance continue with patriotic fervor in Gashbarka region. President Xi Jinping of China, President Faure Issoufou of Togo, and President Nibosa Radmanovic of Bosnia and Herzegovina sent message of congratulations in connection with the 22nd Independence Day anniversary. In their respective message, the three leaders wished President Isaias Afwerki good health as well as peace and prosperity to the Eritrean people. Yet more nationals arrived in Asmara for Independence Day observance and said that the fact that numerous citizens are celebrating the momentous day in the homeland attests the prevalence of high spirit of nationalism. Germany residents Mr. Tolde Tedros and Ms. Fraweni Kidane, as well as Marta Tekhle and Medina Imam from the US and Saudi Arabia, respectively, stated that such exposure is a good opportunity to observe the objective development in the homeland. They further expressed satisfaction with celebrating the event among relatives and companions and voiced stanch resistance against external conspiracies. Likewise, US and UK residents Ms. Milashu Gabriel Mikael and Mr. Solomon Walde Gabriel respectively pointed out that the event is a good opportunity to depict mounting spirit of nationalism within the citizenry. An exhibition opened today in Asmara in connection with the 22nd Independence Day anniversary, highlighting the historic dimension of the armed struggle. The exhibition set up in the city center depicts the developments of the armed struggle in the domains of information and communications, mines extraction, and lifestyle of freedom fighters, among others. Mr. Gergis Haptamariam, coordinator of the exhibition, explained that the program was set up with a view to nurturing national values among the youth in the form of exhibitions. He further indicated that it involves more than 20 camps and called on youth to keep intact national values and enhance participation in the development drive. Among visitors, Vice Lieutenant Daniel Makele and Ms. Rahwa Kidane expressed appreciation for the exhibition and called on pertinent bodies to step up integrated efforts as regards organizing such event on bigger scale. Reports indicated that programs in connection with Independence Day observance are continuing with patriotic fervor in all subzones of Gashbarka region. Accordingly, an exhibition has been opened in Barontu City by the administrator of the region, Mr. Mohammed Hamid, highlighting the region's cultural diversity concerning the accomplished development activities, while cycling tournaments were conducted among the 8 subzones. Mr. Razane Abraha, chairman of the region's holiday coordinating committee, disclosed that the celebrations at regional level would continue for second day, adequately depicting the current theme, Eritrea's shield of resilience and nobility of work. Among the participants, Ms. Halima Mohammed Saeed, Mr. Mohammed Usman Ahmed, and Mr. Hamid Usman asserted that such colorful celebration attests to the way nationals deeply cherish the momentous day and said their livelihood is improving in line with the development pace in the region. Meanwhile, various activities were staged in the celebrations at subzonal level since the 12th of this month. Eritrean community members in Israel yesterday celebrated the 22nd Independence Day anniversary with patriotic zeal in Tel Aviv city. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Tesfa Mariam Tekheste, the Eritrean ambassador to Israel, said that the event is a time where nationals should continue enhance their commitment to the nation-building process in the spirit of honoring the pledge of martyrs. He also called on nationals to step up participation in endeavors to reinforce the country's investment sector. Performance by Walter Cultural Troupe added color to the celebration, according to reports. A total of 143 new staff members of the administration of Northern Eri-TV region who have been attending a 6-month training course that was conducted in collaboration with the Ministry of Education graduated recently. The training dealt with accounting, secretarial science, material management, and computer science. The trainees are expected to enrich the knowledge they have acquired through office exposure. Speaking at the graduation ceremony, Mr. Walder Rufa El Takhlai, head of Human Resource Development at the Administrative Office, indicated that the organizing of such training is part of the ongoing national endeavors targeting raising production capacity of youth. A representative of the graduate witnessed satisfaction with the training and lauded the government's commitment to this end. The regional administrator, Ms. Gereda Wolde-Gergis, called on the beneficiaries of the training to translate the knowledge they have acquired into practice and thereby back up government endeavors to enhance public service. Employees who demonstrated excellence during the training received a award on the occasion. Eritrean Olympian athlete Eri Taddese yesterday held new record in half-marathon tournament in Japan. In the race in which renowned athletes from East Africa took part, Eri managed to complete it within 1 hour and 31 seconds, sitting the first rank preceding Martin Matari of Kenya, previous holder of the time record, and Kenyan Jacob Wanjuki respectively. Reports indicate that the tournament involved remarkable challenge and that the Eri witnessed impressive spirit of persistence. That's all the news for tonight. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of our program.